work here, man. Long day, man. Oh, I hate, man. It's one thing you don't ever buy a black car, man, because you wipe them down daily. And then, see where I work it, there's a whole bunch of trees up in these hills. So I get home, gotta wipe it down. Then I get up in the morning, get ready for work, and the trees by my house, then replaced it. So yeah, black is a beautiful car in the sunlight and it looks nice when it's all clean and done, but oh boy, it's the hardest thing to keep clean. You know what I'm saying? But you know, that's just the things you got to deal with when you get the vehicle that you want. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so, but anyway, what I'm really on this here for today, man, is to finish off that part 2 of that video for the struts. I'm going to show you how I painted that and sanded all that down again, you know, put it in place. So with all that being said, I rambled enough as it is. I ain't big on talking, so let's get into this video.